Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you love camping, you're gonna need a fan. This is the perfect fan from Wise Owl Outfitters. So there are two ways that you can use this fan. One is using the plug that they provide and connecting it to a power source, or you can put 3 AA batteries in there. Both work really well, and you have 4 settings. You can have just the fan or just a light, or have the fan and the light combo, or turn it off. I also love that you can stand it up and you can set it to different tilts as well, or you can use the hook on the yellow part to hang it anywhere you want. You can hang it in your tent as you see here. It is perfect for tent camping to keep you nice and cool while you sleep at night, and it's just hanging right over you. We also love how the light is nice and bright, which is really nice if you're camping. Also really nice if your power goes out in your house to have both a light and a fan. So if you're in the market for a fan to keep you nice and cool on those warm summer nights when you're out camping, definitely check out this fan from Wise Owl. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.